All right, now that I finished with the honors and awards, I'm going to go back over here to the right-hand side. I'm going to come up to the education. I'm going to go with the last place that I attended. If you notice, when I highlighted, I only highlighted the letters. If I highlight any more, it's going to mess up the way you have everything formatted. So the last place I attended was the University of Texas at San Antonio. This is okay that it's going on to the second line. I can leave it like that, or I can reformat it. I'm going to just leave it like that. The dates that I attended, I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to put 2013 through 2016. I earned a master's in education, specifically in reading, and I graduated December 2016. The school that I attended previously, before UTSA, Texas A&M. I'm going to actually put university, sorry. Texas A&M University. And that was Corpus Christi. I attended there from 2002 to 2013. I earned a Bachelor's of Arts in English. Then I did start my master's there. So I graduated December 26, 2006 with my Bachelor of Arts in English. And then I began master's program 2008. All right, when I go on to my skills, I'm going to insert here. CPR, when you abbreviate, you make sure that you capitalize each letter in the abbreviation. Expires, I'll have to capitalize that, 2024. And I also pride myself on typing 70 words per minute with 99% accuracy. And then as far as training goes, I don't have any training that I want to put here. Things that you could include here would be like cash handling, any kind of training class that you've gone through. So me, I'm just going to delete it, and I'm going to bring everything up. Appropriate interests. I enjoy traveling, reading, and I'm actually going to do this, reading, writing. Insert languages spoken. I'm going to leave English off because obviously you're writing this in English, so there should be no question that you are fluent in reading, writing, and speaking English. If you speak another language, make sure that you put read, speak, and write. Let's just say it's Spanish fluently. If there are any other languages that you speak but don't read or write, make sure that you put that. So if I only spoke Spanish, I would just put speak Spanish fluently if I am fluent. So there's two pages here. I'm going to see if I can delete one. I just delete everything I did. Okay, not a big deal. I'm just going to leave that alone. And then I know whenever I print it, I will just print one page. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let me make it nice and I'm going to PDF it just so you can see what it looks like. All right, there's my whole resume. Please, please, please make sure you double check everything. Please make sure you reread things. Make sure that you look at your punctuation. Does this entry look like this entry? Looks like this entry. Make sure that all your words look the same. The last thing you want is for somebody to look at it and put you in the no pile.